guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging. We've got this big box. I know what this is. I'm eager to see what they look like. So let's open up the box. So how are you guys doing? What are you all up to lately? Busy? I've been busy. Oh, I'm so excited to see these. So, this is not something I ever thought I would buy off Amazon. But I could not for the life of me find any locally. And I'm really hoping these will fit. And I got them like several sizes too big in hopes that they would fit. As you can see, it is a pair of winter boots. Now, I have a pair of Canadian winter boots that are rated for -40, but they're gigantic and heavy. And I don't like wearing them if I don't have to. I just wanted something lightweight to wear from the house to the car, from the car to the mall or grocery store. And my old pair that I bought at Walmart several years ago, they're really worn out now and they're actually painful to wear. So last year I bought another pair and I can't walk in them. They have a slight heel, not very big. I thought I'd be able to manage with them. They're beautiful boots. They're fur lined. I fall every time I wear them, so I can't manage that little heel. So, let's see how these are going to be. They had pretty good reviews, but whether that means anything or not, I don't know. And I think I ordered like the size 10. I wear a size 8, 8.5 at the most. But my feet have been really swelling up lately. I retain water. And when I was at Walmart the other day, I tried on size 9 ladies' boots, and I couldn't even get my feet in them. And they were horrible. They were, like, hard on the outside, and they hardly had anything to choose from. So I went to the men's section, and the men had work boots, but they were ugly. And then they had some that were black, but plain, and but they only went up, they were almost all sold out, and they only went up to a men's size 7, and I couldn't get my foot into those either. I think if I could have got my foot in, they would have fit because they were long, but they were not wide enough for me. So let's see. These have an AB on the side, and I got this from a store called Zitop. Zitop. I will put a link below if you're interested. So they have some, they're supposed to be anti-slip. They're ankle boots. They have a side zipper. They're fur lined, not real fur, like teddy bear fur. And they have these little styrofoam things in them to keep their shape so that they didn't get squished. So let's take those out. And you can see the zipper. It's got a nice zipper pull. I don't know if you can see that little design on it. It's quite nice. The zipper opens and closes nicely, and it's got a little overhang here, which is nice. So that means you won't feel the zipper on your ankle. The ones I was looking at Amazon, and not at Amazon, at Walmart in town, they didn't have that. So it was like this. So you would feel the zipper on your ankle. That would be very cold. So I'm glad this boot did that. Now, whether these are going to fit me or not, I don't know. I don't know if they're Canadian sizes or Chinese sizes or what. So, and some of the reviewers said they fit like normal and some said they didn't. So now what I'm going to do is put on some fuzzy socks, because these are the only kind of socks I could wear, because they don't hurt my feet. Even though they have an elastic, the elastic doesn't dig in, I think because of the fuzziness. So I just get these at the Dollarama. And my neighbor, my tiny little neighbor, she told me she had trouble with her ankles. So I bought her 2 pairs of these socks to see if they work. And she loves them. She just thanked me so much, so I bought her a bunch more for Christmas as part of her gift. So I hope she'll like that. But yeah, if you have ankles that have trouble with socks and you don't want to buy those really expensive socks, which also work, these are at the Dollarama and they work fine. And I retain water a lot. But anyway, that's not why we're here. I'm sorry, I got distracted, you guys. If you watch this channel, you know. So let me just come right back after I put these on and see if they fit. And I'll let you know how it goes. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I have one boot on. And I had a hard time getting the zipper on there because I'm right-handed and it was just really hard. But thankfully, I took the boot off with the zipper off and I pulled it back on, and they're big enough that I can even just pull them on and off without the zipper. The right one I can do no problem, but the left one, it's very awkward to pull up. If you're right-handed, it would have been easier if the zippers were on the inside instead of the outside of the boot. That would be easier for people who are left-handed as well for the other boot. But you can see how hard it is to do up this zipper. I have balance issues, so like right now I'm just sitting on my bed doing an unboxing, but because the rest of my family's home and I don't have any quiet in any other room but my room. But yeah, let's just tilt these up a little wee bit. So these are really comfortable. They're really warm. I think they're going to be fine just for what I want them for. But I have noticed there's like a light color at the toe of this boot, and I hope that doesn't mean it's gonna come out soon. But they fit nicely, and my toe is right here, so I have about an inch of space, which I like, and they fit nicely for me in the width. They fit on the ankles. Yeah, so for me, I really got lucky, you guys. I thought for sure these were not gonna fit. I've never ordered boots this big in my life, size 10, but they're made in China, so you gotta go bigger. And I wear an 8 or an 8.5 locally, but the boots that I looked at Walmart, they seemed exactly like the same kind of boots you would buy on Amazon or Temu. And even the size 9 wasn't like a normal Canadian size 9. It was more like a Canadian size 6 or 7. So, yeah, I think that's the problem, is that they're buying the same products and the sizes are all wrong. So, and I want to spend a whole lot of money because I already have my really good winter boots they're big. They come way high up for the deep snow. I mean, right now the snow is way deeper than these boots, but that's okay because if you're not shoveling a driveway or something, if the driveway's already shoveled, you can get to your car fine. And if you're going to a grocery store or a mall, usually all of those parking lots are shoveled, so you don't have to walk through deep snow. So this wouldn't be good for going for walks or anything. I'd have to wear my big boots for that. But I just wanted something lightweight for when I'm indoors, because my big heavy boots, they're just unbearable to wear indoors. Your feet get so hot and they're so heavy. So yeah, and I tried wearing just my running shoes, and I do that sometimes, but then if I ever get stuck, if my car breaks down, I'm going to freeze my feet off. So I'm really glad I got these. Yeah, so I will put a link below if you're interested. I would say go a few sizes up, especially if you have wide feet or if you swell up and your feet change shoe size like mine do. Yeah. Anyway, I really like them. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.